Please subscribe my channel, GR Vlog mga lods. Tayo ay mag-almusal ngayong araw, oras na ito. Samahan nyo ko yun mga lods, almusal tayo.
Kaso ng dalawa, pahilawin ko muna. Yung kay Marcoleta muna eh. Yung kay Romualdez, ikaw na ang bahala gumawa ng dahilan. Magpapresyon ka lang.
Tuyo. Ang talong. Kape.
Gusto mo bang pumasok sa mundo ng pagnenegosyo? Kaso natatakot ka kasi baguhan ka pa lang? Ako, saktong-sakto dahil si Boy Sweet ay may beginner-friendly negosyo package. Sa maliit na puhunan lang ay maaari ka nang mag-start ng iyong sariling negosyo. At dahil meron itong 6 na unique flavors, sure na patok ito sa mga bata at kids at heart. Ano pa hinihintay mo? Make your way today. Message us now to start your business journey. Gusto mo bang pumasok sa mundo ng pagnenegosyo? Kaso natatakot ka kasi baguhan ka pa lang? Ako, saktong-sakto dahil si Boy Sweet ay may beginner-friendly negosyo package. Sa mali...
Alam niyo ba guys, napakaganda nitong manual treadmill na to. Bukod siya, manual na siya, hindi mo na kailangan ng kuryente para umandar. Up to 280 kilos pa yung kaya niya. Yung nabili ko nga pala may Bluetooth speaker na kasama, digital tracker, at itong hinihila na to para sa arms. Ayan, magkabilaan yan mga to. And of... Hindi.
Shawa, maaari mo ba akong tulungang iligtas ang kuya na iyon? Shawa, salamat sa pagtulong sa akin na iligtas ang kuya na ito. Walang anuman, Shaw. Noon ay nabali ang aking binti. Salamat sa iyong mga karayom at napagaling mo ako. Paulit. Napakalubha ng sugat ng gwapong kuya. Huwag kang matakot. Marunong akong mag-akupuntura. Kaya kitang padalingin. Hindi ka mamamatay. Ikaw ang nagligtas sa akin. Salamat sa iyo, bata.
Ayan.
Kuya, maaari ko ba itong kainin? Ilang araw na akong hindi kumakain. Hindi naman ako matako. Kahit isang kagat lang, ayos na. Heto, iyon na ang lahat. Huwag kang mahiya. Kung kulang pa, mayroon pa ako. Napakasarap ito. Ngayon lang ako nakatikim ng ganito kasarap na pagkain. Kaysa sa mga tira-tirang tinapay na napupulot ko doon, mas masarap ito ng 100 beses. 1,000 beses. Kahit mukhang madungis at punit-punit ang suot, pero mukhang cute naman siya. Senyorito, sa wakas ay nahanap ka rin.
Iharap mo yan doon. Tali ko din, dadaan ako.
Namin. Mabuti na lang at ligtas kayo. Pero na at bumalik na tayo. Naghihintay na ang inyong ama sa bahay. Oo, senyorito, sumakay na po kayo sa karwahe.
Eh,
I'm sorry. It was my fault last night. I wasn't gentle enough.
The entire hall fell silent in an instant.
before.
Sorry, Elaine. I shouldn't have touched the cake. I shouldn't have said those things. Please forgive me.
Disapprove of my wife's crown being strawberry flavored?
I was wrong. I'm sorry. Please, please stop.
This hand touched my daughter's cake. Clean it up. Go take a shower.
Daddy, my cake is gone.
We'll make another one. William! What the hell did you do? The DeLuca family just pulled every single deal. The board has suspended your promotion. Effective immediately. You better bring on the time to review. Get dressed. Come to the study. Landed wrong. What if she picked up a knife instead of a cake? What if I had been 1 second later? What then?
There is no what if. Stopped it.
Never mind. I don't allow anyone to touch what's mine.
Alexandra, listen to me. I am not your property.
You're right. You're not my property. You're my wife. And that's worse. 1,000 times worse. Because if anything happened to you, I would burn this entire city to ash. And sit in the ruins until I die.
I need you to learn anything. I need you to learn.
Normal. I kill for a living. And you still don't fear me.
I don't, because you're afraid of losing me. And monsters don't have fear.
Maybe I'm not a monster.
You're just a man.
Too fast. I can't do this to you. You're shaking today. You're vulnerable. I shouldn't take advantage of that. There's a gala next week. Come with me.
Me? I don't belong there. People like that will know immediately I'm not one of them.
You know what I thought when I first saw you? You don't belong anywhere. But wherever you stand, that place becomes yours. Go buy yourself a dress. It's your birthday.
Discount section is left outside. Custom pieces are usually for established clients. But if you insist, I can show you the prices just so you're aware. And no photos inside. People like the front wall for Inst. Photographs well.
Why are you so mean?
It's okay, Your Majesty.
You know what I thought when I first saw you? You don't belong anywhere. But wherever you stand, that place becomes yours.
Show me the custom pieces. All of them.
Are you still paying full price to unlock the rest of the story? The hottest short drama platform on the web is offering a limited time deal. For the next 24 hours, get access to all short dramas at the lowest price anywhere. activates the joints. Practice it 30 times every morning to stretch your muscles and keep your knees and elbows mobile. Some people may just watch quietly, but a small like or heart really helps support us to keep going. This movement is called knee lift and arm swing. It helps improve energy flow in the body and gently activates the joints. Practice it 30 times every morning to stretch your muscles and keep your knees and elbows mobile. If you need money right now, follow me and leave a comment. I will try to help you. If you need money right now, follow
Show me the custom pieces. All of them. Sweetheart, you do know these are all over the internet, right? You can buy a dozen fake ones on Etsy for $1. It's real. Of course it is. A very real fake one. Did you hear that? She says it's real. You know how many people in Chicago actually have one of these? What are the odds this woman in a discount shirt is one of them? Let me guess. You brought your kid in here to play rich lady fantasy? What happens when she grows up and realizes her mom's a fraud?
It's not fake. Don't talk about my mommy like that.
Fine. Let me help you snap out of it. Now can you leave? Or do you want to keep performing? Get out. Don't make me call security to throw you out like garbage. You'll regret this. Can't you understand plain language? Show me.
Boss, pwede magtanong? Nakapalo ka rin, Mr. Jack?
Well guys, nandito na naman tayo sa Manila Quiapo Church. Masakaling may followers.
Hanap mo ba ay direktang supplier ng crab paste?
Ethan, isn't that your obsessed ex? Isn't that Natalie?
Everyone turned to look at me, snickering and joking around.
See? I told you guys she'd come crawling back. Natalie disappeared for 3 years. Not a call, not a text. And now Ethan finally has power, and look who suddenly found her way back. She probably spent every night stalking his socials and crying into a cheap pillow. Natalie, if you're trying to stage a dramatic reunion, sweatpants were a bold choice. Couldn't you at least brush your hair first? Or did life without Ethan get so bad you stopped trying altogether? You look like you came here to beg for protection, not make a comeback.
It was true. I used to spend hours getting ready for Ethan. Full makeup, tight dresses. I always made sure I looked absolutely perfect for him. But I did not need to do that anymore. I was pregnant, so my husband would not let me wear makeup. He wanted me to wear whatever felt comfortable. He even had this plain-looking loungewear custom tailored for me in Paris. Listening to them mock me, it suddenly clicked. They knew they had been ordered to pick up Don Moretti's woman, but they had no idea that woman was me. An old acquaintance of mine quickly stepped in to diffuse the awkwardness.
Anyway, it's nice having you back. Ethan actually spent years looking for you. He asked all over about you.
Ethan's face stiffened for a second. Then he acted like nothing had happened.
Madison's kid starts preschool next week. Now on, you're in charge of drop-off and pickup.
He was still incredibly arrogant, but I was not that naive little girl anymore. Seeing him only filled me with annoyance. I did not want to waste another second on them. I was just about to tell them exactly who I was.
Natalie, don't blame Ethan for this. He's only trying to look out for you. You disappeared for 3 years. Who knows what kind of shady things you had to do to survive. Look at you. Life really chewed you up. Ethan even wanted to give you a job as my personal assistant. But clearly that would be too much for you.
3 years later, Madison was still just as stuck up.
Don't worry. Being my nursey is honest work. No one's going to look down on you for that.
Her attitude alone made my stomach turn. Ethan misread my disgust as jealousy.
Alright, Natalie, drop the attitude. You clearly couldn't make it on your own. So stop making a scene. Take care of the kid. And learn your place. Don't worry, we still have a spare room for the nanny downstairs.
All you need to do is help Madison look after her kid.
Isn't that far better than your miserable one tiny misunderstanding. If life got rough out there, maybe she needed the lesson.
Hearing that, my heart actually skipped a beat. Even now, he still thought abandoning me at City Hall for Madison was only a tiny misunderstanding. The Ethan who used to love me was truly dead. He was no longer the boy who carried me across town while ignoring his own bleeding wounds. But whatever that love had been, it was all in the past. None of it mattered anymore. After all, I was about to give birth to my second baby anyway. I pushed all those swirling thoughts down. I had no desire to bicker with them here.
Aren't you here to pick me up? Let's go.
The scene went quiet for a moment. Several people exchanged looks. Then they suddenly burst into laughter.
Waiting for you? Do you even deserve that? Read the sign. We're waiting for Mrs. Moretti. Do you even know who that is?
Of course, I knew that was me.
Mrs. Moretti is the lady of the Moretti family. She is David Moretti's lawful wife, and Don Moretti is a ruthless mafia boss. But in private, he is deeply devoted. People say he refused to get married back then because he was waiting for her. Everyone in the city knows this. Don't bother sucking up to Damon. Suck up to Mrs. Moretti. She is his entire world.
Listening to them gossip about my marriage, I could not help smiling. A genuine smile spread across my face. After 3 years of marriage, Damon's business had grown bigger and bigger, and his reputation as a fiercely devoted husband had spread everywhere. Madison had always wanted to stand above me. She would never miss a chance to show off in front of me.
To spoil his wife, Damon Moretti once bought a diamond
Dapat
bracelet
tinanong
at
mo.
Christie's.
Dapat sinat mo muna yung kachat mo kung kumain na para sabay kayo sa
$20
online.
million. Mrs.
Sino bang
Moretti is
sinsabi mo?
literally the most envied woman on
Sinong
earth.
kachat mo
Kalat mo
sinasabi?
dyan.
At my wrist.
Wala.
That's the extortion.
Papatsamba ka lang.
A hush fell over the crowd. Everyone's eyes locked onto the bracelet on my wrist.
Kapag nag-online ka para magkasama kayo, kumita na kayo.
Broke delivery guy bought you this. The cheap knockoff is a gift. That
I yanked my hand free, smiling softly while brushing the bracelet. Ethan's eyes widened at my happy look. He grabbed my wrist and tore the bracelet off. I was caught off guard and couldn't stop it. Madison stepped up, took the bracelet from him, and twisted it in her hand.
It really is a high-quality fake. Way better than the replica I bought. But I'd never wear mine in public. That would be humiliating. Foreign knockoffs really are something. The weight almost feels real. Wait. Don't tell me you're saying you're the real Mrs. Morelli? Natalie, are you seriously claiming you're the legendary Don's wife?
They burst into loud laughter the second she finished speaking. It all sounded absurd to them. Damon was a notorious mafia genius. Cold-blooded and merciless in the underworld. 3 years ago, I'd still been hanging around them. The girl Ethan left at the altar. No one could believe it. Alice twirled the bracelet around her finger.
Natalie, why don't you sell me this fake? I'll pay you double whatever that broke delivery guy paid. Give that back right now. David gave that to me.
Shut your mouth. Natalie, are you trying to get us both killed? You think you could just casually drop Don Morelli's name? Are you trying to drag me down with you? Are you trying to get behind?
His friends immediately joined in.
Do you have any idea how hard you fought for this airport pickup? Don Moretti put Ethan's business under his protection last year. Now all of us survive under Moretti protection. The only way Ethan keeps his place in the Moretti circle is if we impress Mrs. Moretto. And you're out here spreading insane rumors about knowing him? Are you trying to ruin Ethan's career?
I wiped the blood from my split lip. My stare must have been ice cold because Ethan frowned. A trace of panic flashed through his eyes. Madison pointed at me and snapped.
Natalie, you ungrateful little... Ethan was kind enough to keep you off the street. Don't push your luck. I know you're bitter about the past, but trying to wreck his career just to get back at him?
Hearing her say that felt exactly like 2 years ago. No matter what I did, Madison twisted it. She would feed Ethan her poisoned version of the truth. In the early days, Ethan defended her, but by the end, she always took the side, just like right now.
You're jealous woman, but this time, Ethan did not need to yell at him. After a short silence, he took his phone out and received a $1,000 check.
For the sake of what we just did, I'll let this slide. Take the check. Go buy yourself something decent to wear. If you really don't want to nanny Madison's kid, I'll pull some strings and get you a proper job next week. Don't worry. Ever since the Moretti protection, this kind of money is pocket cheese in my world now.
The way he handed me that check made me sick. No, thank you, sir. I don't take handouts from strangers. He grabbed me before I could take a few steps.
Natalie, I gave you money and you still refused? What do you mean?
He questioned me with a cold face.
I'm a stranger.
Since we're using broke it up, it's better not to have an attack you bother that. People might understand. I thought of my jealous husband. But Ethan glanced at Madison. Then he looked as if he had understood everything.
The Moretti family is hosting a private gala for Don Moretti in 3 days. I plan to take you there.
Tapos na tayo mga lods.
But you need to buy
Bye-bye.
a proper outfit first. Don't